Homer and I are going to show you how to take just one clove of garlic and turn it into an entire head of garlic using just a little bit of space in your yard and a few other tools.
There are a few things we'll need to get started growing our garlic, and the first of these is an OMRI-Listed Fertilizer. I prefer the granulated type. Next, we'll need a high-quality compost. I made this compost by breaking down food scraps in my kitchen, but you can buy compost at any garden store as well. Last but certainly not least, we'll need some seed garlic. I obtained my seed garlic from a farmer in my area. The first thing you'll want to do is clear a space to grow your garlic. Because garlic depletes the soil, you'll want to make sure that this is an area where you haven't grown garlic in the past, and pick a new area next year when you plant again in the fall. Next, we'll amend our soil with some high-quality compost to make sure that our garlic has all of the nutrients it needs. As you can see, my soil has a lot of clay, so I'm going to make sure to pick out large chunks of clay and toss them to the side. And now for Homer's favorite part, amending the soil with compost. I find that all sorts of things make their way into my compost, so during this part of the process, make sure to pick out the largest materials so that the soil is as consistent as possible. Use your shovel to mix together the dirt that you dug out of your hole and the compost that you've added to amend the soil. Now that you have a high-quality, compost-rich soil, use a rake to smooth out the surface of the ground you've been working. Add a few handfuls of fertilizer, and using your hands with gloves on, mix the fertilizer into the top inch or two of the soil. It's important that you don't mix it in too deep, or else the garlic won't be able to reap its benefits. Alright, we're almost there. It's time to plant. Place the garlic about 4 to 6 inches apart in rows, and make sure that the rows are about a foot apart. Roots will grow out of the bottom part of the garlic, so make sure that they're pointed downward toward the earth. Now we'll plant the garlic, digging down about 2 inches into the earth. Again, make sure that it's oriented the right way so it will grow towards the sun. Finish up by watering the garlic to cement its position in the soil. Generally, you don't want to overwater garlic as it has a propensity to rot. Thank you so much for joining Homer and I. I wish you all of the best in your garlic growing adventures this fall, and please subscribe to our channel and stick around for new videos coming soon.